Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a gaming mouse. This is from a brand called Xmate, and the mouse happens to be the Zorro wired USB gaming mouse. So the front of the packaging doesn't give us much indication aside from the actual, or rather a render of the product that's on the inside. So we don't know much details about the mouse itself. If you flip it around, we see some stickers. I think this is to go with the whole gaming theme. I don't know if you can see it clearly. These are just common sounds in games that have been put in textual format, very comic booky like. And on the rear side we have some brief specifications. As mentioned on the front, it's a wired mouse. It uses a USB interface, which is extremely common and obvious. There are 6 keys. We don't know if there is an additional software along with this particular mouse that allows you to map different functions to the keys. Once we open it up, we might see if there's any, let's say, leaflet which tells you where to download the software from. Then it has a DPI switch with 4 different DPI levels ranging from 800 to 3200, and it has 2 additional steps in the middle for 1200 and 1600. 800 being the most popular one, 1200 just following that. 1600 and 3200 are good to have, but those are ridiculously high, especially when you're looking at FPS games. Then it says your working current is at a maximum of 5 milliamperes, and it has a cable length of 1.5 meters. So that's about the information that we see on the box. And on the other side we have some additional graffiti, you could say. So let's go ahead and unbox it. You can see that the mouse is covered in a little bit of plastic packaging. This is thin foam. Now, aside from the mouse, there is something else inside the box that happens to be first and leaflet for the instruction manual. It says it's compatible with PC or Mac, and you can just plug and play. It should install things on its own. Then also has a small diagram listing out all the different buttons. As you can see, there are 2 buttons on the side, one on the top, another is the scroll wheel and the normal keys as usual. Then you have DPI and light options, a little bit of the specifications, and nothing else. There seems to be another additional leaflet. This is from Xmate itself, asking you to leave a review on whichever website that you bought the product from. This is because this is a fairly new brand, so they're just reaching out and getting some marketing done. And you have the mouse itself. It's quite shiny, lots of plastic, rubberized texture and whatnot. This is the underside. You can see it's metallic. And there's the braided cable that the box packaging did mention. So that was a fairly brief unboxing of the Xmate Zorro. If you like us to do similar unboxings of gaming peripherals, please do like and share this video, and as always, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.